ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ ധന്യമായ മുഹൂർത്തം ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. ആദ്യം നാഷണൽ ആന്തമോടെ തുടങ്ങാം. എല്ലാവരും എഴുന്നേറ്റ് നിന്ന് നാഷണൽ ആന്തം. With a short span, and may Lord Rajarajeshwara bless the couple and an opportunity again and again to visit this temple. I also request the TTK President to honor the other guests. Honoring the person who has been inspired to make this wonderful idol, I also request President to honor the coordinator of Omkar Trust, Sri Kamal Kundamudu. അദ്ദേഹം പാലക്കാടുകാരനാണ്, പക്ഷേ തലപ്രഭുകാരനായി ഇപ്പോൾ മാറിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. വളരെ സന്തോഷം. Can I also request the President to give away a memento to the temple? As one steps into the temple, an overwhelming sense of peace and sanctity envelops us all. That's why it continues to draw devotees from far and wide. So the time has come now to unveil India's biggest bronze statue by our Excellency, the Kerala Governor, Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Allekar sir. We'll request him to unveil this bronze statue. It's a very auspicious time for us. In the presence of Governor, the First Lady, Ms. Asha Allekar, Sri Motamal Rajan, Sri Rachita Rajan, the trustees, the President, and all the devotees of Sri Lord Rajarajeshwara. India's biggest bronze statue, 14 feet, 4,200 kgs. It has taken more than 3.5 years to get into this Shiva Swarupa. Future generation, the earth is in your hands, Ruhi. We expect more and more trees from you and save the nature and yes. ശ്രീരാജരാജേശ്വര സന്നിധിയിൽ വലിയൊരു